Now I'm going to talk to you about a more advanced application of the distributive property. So hopefully at this point you feel pretty comfortable with distributing. Let's say we had an easy problem like this. -3 parentheses x plus 3. Okay, so the distributive property again is used to remove parentheses. We'll use a colorful thing. Remove. Oh, it's not coming out right. Remove. There we go. Remove parentheses. That's what the distributive property is all about, removing those parentheses. Okay, so if I want to distribute, I always got to draw my arrow. So this is -3, and I'm multiplying that times x. So -3 times x is just -3x. And then you distribute the -3 to the +3. -3 times +3 is a -9, so you put -9. And of course you combine these. Oh, no we don't, because they are an x term and a number term. So that's it. That's nice and easy. That's the distributive property in a nutshell. All right, now what I'm dealing with is foiling. Now foiling is, again, it's just a distributive property, but it's just for more advanced problems. So when you see something that looks like this is something, again, you see all the time in algebra and upper level math. Let's say x plus 8 parentheses. What goes in between here? A dot, when that means multiplication. X plus 8 times, we'll go 2x minus 3. Okay, so again, it looks more complicated because we got these two things over here. But again, we want to distribute or remove those parentheses. So we start the same way. I'm going to take my x, my first term, and we're going to distribute the x to both of those. So do x times 2x. Okay, well, you could put a 1 here for 1 because this is 1x. Well, what's 1 times 2? 1 times 2 is 2. And then x times x is x squared, or x to the second power. X times x squared, 1 times 2 is 2. Then you distribute this one out. Oh, got an email. I wonder what that says. Ooh, interesting. We'll close that though. Okay, 1 times negative, so this is a positive 1, x times a -3. So 1 times -3 is -3. And we just have that x left over, -3x. So that's the first term. But we're not done because we have to distribute this 8. I like to draw this one to the other side, so it's a positive 8. And now we'll draw the arrows this way. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 16x. And then we do 8 times a -3. So positive times a negative is a negative. 3 times 8 is 24. All right, and there we go. We just distributed. But we should always look to combine like terms. And in this case, we've got two lovely like terms. Let's see if I get a highlighter. Here we go. We got this. See, we have these x's, -3x's. Then here we have 16x's. So we have a positive 16 and a -3. So if we combine those together, we get 16. They work against each other. 16 minus 3 is 13. So it's 13x. 13x. And here we have a positive 2x squared. Again, this is a positive 13x, so we'll put a plus. And then we have -24 left over. Okay. And that is how you do foiling. Box answer.